Let's start. So the last page here, all we look up. So underline the word always positive. This is something you learn in Sec 3. And you want to remember that if I have the x-axis, always positive means the curve is on top. And if the curve is on top, we say that discriminant is less than 0. So less than 0 means the correct working should be spell out the word. Actually no need lah. But if you want, you can spell out the word. Or you can start with b square minus 4ac less than 0. Can you continue with the rest of the working? Those you didn't bring, never mind. Just draw on foolscap, stapler, and then paste close. How to do? No. This is the modulus last page. Modulus last page. So, how to do B is what? Look at the question. The question is here. X squared minus a x plus 9. So, I recap everything again. So, A equal something. B equal something. C equal something. What do I write? Remember, A equals 1, right? Is A equals to 1? Yes. B? Negative? A. C? 9, right? So how do you continue from there? So you sub in. And then you form certain equation. And then you write the final answer. Okay, quickly scribble down. Yeah, I think you need to draw the graph. You need to tell me whether you shade upstairs or downstairs. And finally, what is the answer? 8 of B. And I will slowly write down. And then you will compare.
Aku juga. Inform subject. Inform subject. Inform subject.
And then the answer. So that's about 3-4 marks.
Daripada.
Why this exercise? Because nowadays A-level, O-level, A-max, they start to ask you a lot of explain. So you need to learn to explain. Try B. Try the number 2. Scroll a bit, because you only need the answer. Some of you don't have the question. Second error. This is the equation. This is the equation. This is the question. Something is wrong somewhere. Identify 1, 2, 3, 4. Which one is wrong and why wrong? And what is the correct one? I zoom in so you can see clearer. I zoom in. So you want to highlight and tell me which statement is wrong and why is it wrong. Factorize first. Come again.
Final answer just square root 8.
Oh, is it because like that? Then what's the final answer? Is it? Okay, so is the first step correct? Obviously right? It's a question. Second step, divide by 2. Okay. But divide by 2 need to put plus minus. Actually, no need yet. Unless divide by negative number, then you need to do that. Is it because I didn't put plus minus? Even if I put plus minus, still wrong. Because why? Can it be at the same time bigger than root 8, then smaller than minus root 8? No. Bigger than root 8 and bigger than minus root 8. Do you know what I'm talking about? Okay, what you are suggesting is is it like it should be x bigger than plus minus root 8? Now, if you draw a number line, this is minus root 8, this is root 8. You are telling me it's here and here. This fundamentally is wrong. Because at the same time, it cannot be more than root 8 or more than negative root 8. Do you follow what I'm saying? So, what is the correct, or rather, where is the wrong step? The wrong step is actually this one. This is correct, this is correct, this is correct, but this is wrong. Okay? Now, then the next question is, sure, then how should I solve this question? Remember, inequality, you can never take square root like that. So, what happened is, from this step, copy down, you should think of ability to do this, because this will give you a plus b, a minus b. Why do you want to create two brackets? My next question, why do you want to create two brackets? If I have two brackets more than 0, does it save my life? Again, if I can break this up into two brackets, is my work easier? How do I continue from this? How do I continue from this step? I can draw a line, I can draw a graph, and then I can shape upstairs. Again, so from this step, I can actually draw a graph, I can shape upstairs, and I can have my answer straight away. Now my question, what is this two value?
There. Negative square root 8.
Very good. Then square root
8.
8. Square root 8, then I square. Okay, I run one more step, then you see. So, because if this number is 9, very simple. 9, very simple. Why? X plus 3, x minus 3, right? But if it's 8, for a number that cannot be square root. So, how do I make sure this is square rootable? I will square root first, and I put a square, and demonstrate. So you write something like that. X squared minus, what must I put this inside this square? So that square root square will become 8. What must I put inside? Square root 8. Do you agree?
Yeah.
So I force it to be a square.
Wow.
So this is actually a square root 8. Because I know if I square root and I square it, it will still give you 8. So, then now what do I do next?
X minus square root 8.
X minus square root 8, or x plus square root 8. So I have two values now. So I write down. So what do I put here? Do I put positive or negative first? Negative. Then of course positive on the other side. A bit of recap, inequality. So what's the final answer? X must be more than this, right? More than, because I want it. Or x must be smaller than this. So I can draw a circle and then I point here, because I want numbers that is more than this. So this is x more than root 8. I want numbers smaller than this. So x will be smaller than minus root 8. That's all. Okay? Now that you are quite used to this identify error. Okay, now look at the third question now. Now I give you modulus. Can you tell me why is it wrong? Which step is wrong? These two questions got nothing to do with modulus, agree? Yeah. It's just teaching you how to identify error. So now look at the last question, which I will scroll up, and you see the question. Now you tell me, if I look at this equation, x cannot be negative. Is it because x cannot be negative? Is it like this answer is wrong?
Modulus cannot be negative.
Why?
Because your negative must always be positive.
Because on top what? Modulus equals to x. And follow? When I modulus something, can my final answer be negative? No. So what must we do? Reject. So there's nothing wrong with the steps in front. All correct. Okay? But it's just these two that is wrong. No. So you just point out.
Modulus. Unless
So
can have negative x, but cannot.
this you must reject.
So like
This you must
this
reject.
one is a number, right? It's like 8, right? This one can be negative.
But what's the reason?
So this x, right? Let's say you don't have this x. This one is a number.
Because
Then this number can be 7.
x must be
Put in the number, then you get it.
positive. Alright? What I'm trying to say here is when you modulus something equals to x, this x must be positive. Okay, but is it correct to say that all negative answers I must reject? Is it like that?
No.
No, you don't reject all negative answers. I give you example. I scroll a bit because there's some space here. Another e.g. X square minus 2 equals 4. X equal minus 2 or x equal 1. E.g. means the answer is wrong. Now, if I look at this, do I reject this answer? No, because here is 4. This one modulus, I put negative answer, fine, it's fine. But when the outside number there's an x, this number cannot be negative. Do you follow? So don't go and reject all negative answer. So maybe I want to write here, do not need to reject. Okay. So I pause here. Remember in Emacs we actually learned power graph? Yeah? So the number here is a bit small. So I want you to know that this is actually a cubic graph. Okay, I will run through the graph with you, and then we move along. So the first graph is like the S shape, right? Why are there two? This is positive 3. This is no. The power is 3, but the number in front is negative. So if you want to write example, you can write this is y equals to x cubed. Now what about this? Y equals to negative x cubed. Okay? So that's why you get two different graphs. Next, what's the bottom one? Y equals to x squared, your favorite. This is quadratic. So this one, the distinctive feature is a u or a n. Do you have to remember this? Yes. Okay, so minus x squared. Now, third one, or even easier. What is this? Y equals to mx plus c, right? So this is the y power x power 1, right? What about the other one? Negative x. So you have a negative x, then it looks something like that. Now, and this is quite silly, or rather obvious. This one maybe you want to give a number. So maybe this y equals to 2. And why do I draw the one below x-axis? Y equals to negative 2. Now, I want to help in recalling the fundamental again. Now, for example, e.g. I want to draw y equals to 3x cubed. Okay? So, I want to go through the thinking process. Now, in your mind, you need to know x cubed. Again, x cubed, is it a u or a S shape? S shape, right? So, this one you need to remember. Remember the basic shape. So, let's start. So, I know something like, it's either like that or like that. But whether it's like this or like that, I can play cheat to actually help. Remember how? Sub value. Remember the sub value? So I try. So what I do is very simple. I just need to draw a table. I put negative 1, 0, 1. And I put y. I sub inside. What do I get? Negative 3, 0, 3. So what I do is, with this axis, okay, I will draw these 3 points. Negative 1, negative 3. Where is it? First, second, third, fourth. Which quadrant? Here, right? Here, right? Here, right? So you know it's something like that. Do you follow? Do you follow how you determine is this one? You sub in point. Do you remember last year? 2 years ago? So remember the basic shape is important. Use the point to test which quadrant. Quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, quadrant 4. Can, huh? I'm going rather fast because I want you to watch the video. Yeah, so go back and watch and then recap. Then you know what I'm talking about. Okay, now, then what is the A-max part about? Is the other one, huh? Can I go up already? Can, huh? Okay, wait. Quickly, so that we can go home before it rains. Okay, let's go to the next part. Now, this thing here is still Emacs. So it's a window graph. I feel so touched. So you all remember window graph. So window graph, so another example, y equals to 1 over x. So this is the window 1. This is the window 1. And then this is y equals to negative 1 over x. So it's the other side. So whenever you see 1 over, or whenever you see the power is minus 1, you know it looks like a window pane. You just have to do 4 choose 2. So out of the 4 quadrants, which one do you choose? Okay? Now, the next two, what's the difference between the top and bottom? 1 is power 1, the on top. The bottom is power 2. Or negative 2 if you bring it up. So this power is square. Square means it's the other way. Or rather, it's the first 2 quadrant. It's the first 2 quadrant. And when I have y equals to negative 1 over x squared, is the other 2 quadrant. Huh? Why they never write the equation? They wrote in terms of number. N is negative 2. So this n is negative 2. Understand? A is less than 0. So I give example, minus 1. Understand? So this one, all done. Huh? Yeah. By the time I finish, you'll stop. So if don't stop, then I will trouble myself, I cannot go back. Okay. Now, then this one we call the aeroplane fly up, right? Remember? The aeroplane fly up graph. So these two Emacs, right? These two Emacs. So I give example. Y equals to a power x. Not a good example. Y equals to 2 power x. So it looks something like that. Now what about this one? Y equals to what? Negative 2 power x. So when the power is on top, okay, it looks something like that. Okay, this one got to remember the shape. But whether is it up, down, you can use value testing. Parabola, no. Parabola is the y. You know what parabola? The y square, that one. That one is separate topic. The y square equals to x. How does it look like? C, right? Actually, this is the base of what we're going to do now. So I'm going to use this graph to demonstrate how we do this in this graph. Let's start. Turn over to the next page. Okay, now I'm going to formally introduce this to you. So let's start. Now, this one is x squared, x power 4. X power 6. So what is the trend here? This is when the power become, the power is even or odd? Even. So even power graph will give you a U shape. But what happens to the 4 when it's 4? Okay, focus at the bottom, the back side. The red one show you the square. The 4, what happened? It's a wider base. Can follow? So if it's 6, what do you think will happen? Even wider base. Can follow? But is the general shape, is it still a U? No. Yes, still a U. So it's a U shape, but it's a broader base. Can follow? Now, so catch no ball. No, don't do this. Okay, now, so one observation you can write down is when the power is even number, for example, x squared, x4, x6, x8, you roughly will know it is actually a U shape. It's a U shape. Now, what happens when the power is odd number? Is the S shape, right? But the S shape with an inverted comma because I don't know how to describe this S shape. It looks from third quadrant, go 0, and go up again. Now, again compare the 3 and the 5. It just means it's a wider base again. Can follow? Look on the paper, it's clearer because got blue ink and red ink. So it means that when the power is odd, example x power cube, x power 5, x power 7, you can expect a S shape, but then it's wider, it's broader base. Let me pick up this call.